we use an SDK to interact with the API and scrape data. And you can find that at our Masa repo here. We suggest you use like a Conda environment for running any of our Python code. And you can easily install this, so pip install Masa AI. And then we can create a request list of the data that we're scraping. And I'll show you in just a moment how we're going to do that. This saves all of the data locally and makes it available in a JSON file so as we can input this into an embedding model and then into a local vector store so as it can be retrieved by our agent. In addition to that, we're going to use the Masa Awesome Masa repo, which has examples in it. So you want to clone the Awesome Masa repo here. And within the Awesome Masa repo, we have some scraper examples that don't use the SDK. This may be like a one-off scrape you want to do. Maybe you just want to kind of use one of our older scraping scripts, but we'd always recommend now using the SDK to do scraping. And then it has an example agent.